Hey everyone! Get ready to bake up some pure comfort today. We're making the most delicious golden brown skillet cornbread you've ever tasted. It's so easy, even beginner bakers will feel like pros. You'll need just a few pantry staples: cornmeal, all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. For the wet ingredients, grab an egg, some milk, and melted butter. That's it for our simple lineup. First, whisk together all your dry ingredients in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, combine the egg, milk, and melted butter. Now, gently pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Mix just until combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine. This is where the magic happens. Place your cast iron skillet in the oven as it preheats to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Once hot, carefully add a tablespoon of butter or oil to the skillet. Swirl it around to coat the bottom and sides. Pour your batter directly into that sizzling hot skillet, pop it back into the oven, and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. You're looking for a beautiful golden brown top and a toothpick inserted into the center to come out clean. Oh, that aroma! Let it cool slightly before slicing into warm, buttery wedges. This cornbread is perfect with chili, soup, or just a drizzle of honey. Enjoy every comforting bite, friends.